After 5 years of introducing Raspberry Pi Imager, there is a new version that got released recently, which is a complete change in design of Raspberry Pi Imager, which they are calling it as 2.0 version. In this video, we'll get a closer look into what are the new changes, and I'll also show you how to flash an SD card with Raspberry Pi OS image. Let's get started. First, you can go to raspberrypi.com and here you can click on software, and then you can download Raspberry Pi Imager from here. So if you click on it, it will start downloading. So there is another way also. If you already have an existing Raspberry Pi Imager, you can open that, and here you will get a pop-up to click on yes to update. So click on yes as well, and it will open the same website. So the download is complete, so I'll click on this. So the setup wizard has started. Click on OK. Make sure the previous one is already closed. So you can click on yes. Click on next. I accept. Next. So now you can see Raspberry Pi Imager got opened, and this is the new look. So previously everything was on the same screen. So now you can see everything as created step by step so that you are not confused. So you can click on app options. Then there are few options you can select, like play sound when finished, which means that once the flashing is done, it will play sound. So eject media when finished, you don't have to eject, so it will automatically do. And then this telemetry, if you want to send, then click on it. It is anonymous, so don't worry. Disable warnings, so you can click on save. So once this is done, so first thing is you need to select which Pi device you are going to use. So I'll use Raspberry Pi 5. Click on that. So click on next. So next is the OS. So you need to select an operating system. For the sake of this video, I'll select a light version, that is Raspberry Pi OS in others. And here we can see OS Lite. So I'll click on this, click on next. So I don't see any storage devices as of now. So I have to put my SD card into SD card reader, and then I'll insert it. So once I have inserted, you can see this. I'll select that, click on next. So give an host name. So I will give the default as Pi. Click on next, and then you need to select your localization. So this is kind of buggy here. You can see I am not able to select it properly, and so it is asking for capital city. So I need to search for it. There should be an option to search. Instead of drop down, there should be some search functionality so that it would be easy. So this is kind of buggy, and time zone you can select, and the keyboard automatically selected. So click on next, and then username and password. Click on next. Then you need to provide your Wi-Fi SSID and password. So for this, it has taken from the previous version of mine, but you can provide this, and you can mention this is secure or open. So if it is WPA and above, it would be secure. If it is open network, then there won't be any password. So click on next, and then you can enable SSH from here itself. Click on this. For the SSH, generally it is password authentication, but if you have public key authentication, you can select that. And then this is the important change that we are seeing here. So Raspberry Pi Connect is being enabled from here itself. So you can click on it, you can open Raspberry Pi Connect, and then the token will automatically be available when you sign in. I'll click on this, sign in, and then create auth key and launch Raspberry Pi Imager. So we are creating an authorization key before booting the OS onto your new Raspberry Pi. So what happens is the device using this auth must be connected to internet within 6 hours before it is expired. So click on this, then click on open. Now you can see the token has been received from browser. Click on next, and here you can see the complete summary. Then click on write. So it is asking for permanently erasing. So I understand and erase. So you can click on cancel. So it has started writing. I'll fast forward this. And here you can see an additional step called skip verification. You can also skip this step if you are confident, but I suggest not to. And now we are done. So we can also see the file explorer got opened and closed, and then we can click on finish. Now you can easily remove your SD card from your SD card reader and then insert into your Raspberry Pi and start the work immediately. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video informative, please type helpful and smash that like button. If you are interested to learn how to install Raspberry Pi OS on 02W, then click on the link from the end screen or in the description. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.